Jackson County area helicopter traffic, November 9361 Fox. About 8 miles east of McKee, climbing to 2,000 feet southbound. Jackson County area helicopter traffic. Jackson County area helicopter traffic, November 9361 Fox, at 2,000 feet southbound in the area new design in Jackson County.
Ross County traffic, TSI 7, 10 City East, 2800, sending inbound for Ross County Hospital. Georgetown traffic, South, 7 Romeo Foxtrot, continuing left downwind runway 21, Georgetown.
Jackson County helicopter traffic, November 9361 Fox, currently over Greyhawk at 2,300 feet westbound. Jackson County area helicopter traffic. Jackson County area helicopter traffic, November 9361 Fox, currently over Annville at 2,300 feet. Jackson County area helicopter traffic.
Traffic Skyhawk. Budget traffic Skyhawk 1899 Echo on 5 mile final runway number 6 straight in approach. Left traffic.
Terrain, pull up, pull up.